Dear friends, we already see the two methods of asexual reproduction in animals. First, fission and second, budding. Today, we take the information of remaining methods of asexual reproduction in animals in that the third one is jumel formation. Jumel is an internal bud form of asexual method of reproduction. Jumel formation is the formation of internal bud to overcome unfavorable condition. Means when the condition is not favorable, at that time in lower animals, the method of asexual reproduction is taking place with the help of jumel formation. In freshwater sponges, formation of jumels takes place by aggregation of archaeocyte. A layer of archaeocyte secretes hard chitinous around these archaeocytes. Means they are protected by the hard chitinous layer is called as the inner membrane. On return of favorable condition, jumel hatch and develops into new individual. Example, spongy larva. Fourth method of asexual reproduction is regeneration. The regeneration is a process by which organisms develop or regenerate their lost or worn out parts. The regeneration is the best means of asexual reproduction in certain protozoans, sponges, cylindrates, for example, Hydra, Planaria and Echinoderms. Other examples of regenerations are appendages in Crustacea, arms in Western star. Well-known example of wall lizard, tail. If tail is lost of wall lizard, then the tail is regenerated with the help of regeneration. We see detail in Hydra. When Hydra is cut into three parts transversely, see here, the body of the Hydra is cut transversely into three parts. So each and every part of the body of Hydra have the power of regeneration and develop into new Hydra. Means from simple parent body, there is a formation of three new Hydra. See here, the middle part of the Hydra. From that middle part, the upper part and lower part is developed and the new Hydra is formed. Similarly, the upper part is also able to develop the lower part and the new Hydra is developed. Similarly, the lower part have the ability to regenerate the upper part and the new Hydra is developed. So here, thus Hydra has the great power of regeneration. Fifth method of asexual reproduction in animal is sporulation. When the product of multiple fission, individuality surrounds by resistance covering. So we already know in fission, The multiple fission. In multiple fission, the body of the animal is divided into so many small parts, and each and every part is able to develop into the new individual. But during the unfavorable condition, that is a first karyokinesis taking place, means division of the nucleus, and this nucleus is surrounded by the protective covering to survive during the unfavorable condition, and it's called as a cyst. So here there is a formation of so many cysts in the body of the animal, and it's called as a, and cyst product are called as a spores. The spores remain inactive during unfavorable condition. During favorable condition, the cyst hatch, an organism grow and adult. In amoeba, sporulation occur during unfavorable condition. So here we take the information of asexual reproduction in animal by different methods. First one is the fission, second one budding, third one is gemmel formation, fourth one is regeneration, and fifth one is the sporulation. Then we turn towards the advantages of asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction is simple process involving mitotic divisions. It involves only in single parent, which may produce a large number of offsprings. Third, the offsprings are genetically identical to their parents in all the respect, as there is no parental recombination or crossing over. Fourth, it takes place even in unfavorable condition and helps in species to survive even in extremes of environmental condition. Fifth, it is very quick method of reproduction due to involvement of a single parent. Then we see the disadvantage of asexual reproduction. First, since fusion of maternal and paternal gamete is not involved, there is no crossing over and random genetic recombination to produce variation. As there is no variation, there is no evolution, and the species may become extinct as it cannot get adapt to the changing environment. Thank you.